Alright, here we are before the sun completely goes down. As I said, it's now privately owned, so I can't really walk too much inside. But I can show you the style of the buildings. So here the air bombers used to stay and test the planes and bombing skills, I guess, before Picton was a town. These were their dorms, basically. The old style buildings. Bunk beds. Now it's shut down, but yeah, you see the idea. Pretty old style. Let's see here. So yeah, this is my last stop probably for the night, because anything else will be too dark and I wouldn't get good pictures. Alright, as usual, I'm gonna find my next stop and pick a hotel nearby so I can start tomorrow bright and early.